Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax here in Seabrook, Texas. I'm aboard the 2020 Grady-White. This is a great boat for offshore use, diving, fishing, whatever you want to do with it. She's powered by twin 300 Yamahas. These are equipped with the Hellmaster joystick, which we'll talk about here in just a little bit. Come on board and let's check it out. Got a great fish box in the back. Elevated fish box, rod holder behind it. Bait well right here, lighted. It's also got a cutting board on top. This is a great combing here for leaning against, used as a bolster. But when you're having your guest on board, you can flip her down. You got a really nice bench seat. Check out the prep area we have here with a freshwater sink. A huge fish tank here, in addition to your bait well. Nice lockable terminal tackle storage. Great place here for your current tackle boxes, whatever they're biting on that day. Check this out. This boat's also equipped with the optional dive door. Now we have a ladder on the back of the boat standard. This one's got the ladder for the side as well. Great for scuba diving, bringing fish on board, whatever you want to do. There are rod holders everywhere on here. This boat's equipped with two shade systems. We've got an electric shear shade here on the top that extends over the back. And then on the front we've got a manually operated bow shade that covers the entire front of the boat. Great boat for entertaining in hot weather, any kind of conditions. Let's step forward and check out a few more of the great features. They've widened the boat, so we've got a triple seat helm area here now, equipped with nice bolsters, armrests, plenty of room for your electronics. We've even got an alternate foothold down here, so you can be comfortable driving the boat standing up, sitting down, or using the bolster. Here's the Hellmaster I was talking about earlier. You can control this boat with the joystick. Makes it real easy for docking, maneuvering, or holding position when you're offshore fishing. Check out this huge head compartment. Doubles as a shower. We've got rod holders down below. Plenty of room. Moving forward, you've got another area for entertaining. Now all of these cushions are actually removable. They unsnap and they reveal the fish boxes underneath and the non-skid casting platform. Check out these backrests that swing completely out of the way. You can flip them over. Great for your guest. Comfortable, beautiful boat. Equipped under the helm, under the bow up there, we have the anchor windlass. Great feature. Another thing I like about this boat, we've got a full glass windshield with a windshield wiper. So she's good in any kind of weather conditions, and she can handle some really rough sea conditions. Come check out this boat and many others we have here at MarineMax here in Houston. Be glad to help you. My name is Paul.